How's it going? Jeff the IT guy back here with another unboxing. Today we're going to do a keyboard. This is the K95 RGB Platinum XT from Corsair. This was a Prime Day special that could be had for I believe $150 or $159. It typically retails for $200. It'll be linked in the description. It does go on sale quite a bit. It's a full-size keyboard. It's got 6 macro keys. It's RGB, as it says. It's platinum. It's Corsair. It should be good. It was shipped via Amazon, so they thought it was necessary to put, all the stickers on the outside and not actually use a box for it. So hopefully it arrived undamaged. The box is a little bit scuffed up. On the back, you'll see some more of the details. It's got, like I said, 6 macro keys. Which is integrated with the Elgato Streamdeck software. So if you're starting to stream or something like that, you can actually use those instead of having to get a stream deck to begin with. And here's what the keyboard's going to look like. It's got RGB and all sorts of stuff. It even says it works with Xbox One. It has Cherry MX speeds, or silvers is what they're called. They're a speed switch, so it's supposed to have a very, very fast action. And so it's pretty cool. We'll go ahead and open it up. So here's the box. Boom! Look at that bad boy. As you can see, it's like a gunmetal color. It is aluminum. Comes in a package. Everything like that. So let's go ahead and take it out. Here we go. So it does have a pretty long braided cable. This is actually been redone from the Corsair keyboards that I have. Other ones, this is a new type of braid that they use. It comes with 2 USBs on the other side. This is for, it's got USB pass-through and RGB and all that good stuff. Really nice braided cable, really nice feel on it. Go ahead and take this out. See what comes in the box. Looks like you get an accessory kit here. In this accessory kit, looks like you got some keycaps. So here is some extra macro keys. They're blue instead of gray. You got another key here that you could put like a Corsair logo someplace, probably where the Windows logo is. And then you get some other keycaps for like WASD, F and all those. These are more for, so to help you learn if you've never used a keyboard to game on. It's also got a keyboard, or a Keycap Puller. These right here are actually textured differently. They are molded differently when you put them in. Like, it actually helps you find your way around the keyboard if you're just learning how to actually use a keyboard to play games, if you're not used to the common controls, such as if you're coming from like a controller. And then of course it comes with the instructions and how to download IQ and all that stuff. This is the inside of the box, and there is more in here. So we will go ahead and lift it up. So you lift this up and it comes with a wrist rest. So let's go ahead and open up this wrist rest. So this is a padded wrist rest. Some of the other ones are actually plastic. This one has a little bit of padding to it. It's going to clip on like this. As you can see, it's a pretty good size wrist rest. Just gives you a little extra padding, for gaming, for the games. So let's go ahead and look at the keyboard. Take out its plastic here. Get a better look at it. So yeah, it's like a gunmetal gray color. It's really nice. It's a little bit, it's a heavier keyboard, given the fact that it is made out of aluminum and stuff. I think the ship weight on it is about 4.5 pounds, something like that. That includes the heavy box as well. So here we go. Look at this keyboard. It's really nice looking. Like I said, it is a gunmetal gray, almost black color. You've got these keys up here, which locks it. You've got like profiles here. This does the color, how bright you want the RGB on it. You've got full media controls, like a mute media dial here to turn it up, stop, all this stuff. You've got your numpad over here and your macro keys there that work with the Elgato Streamdeck software. On the back, you do have a USB right here. So this can actually be used so that you can plug in like a mouse or something. So you can plug in a mouse, or you know, like your Streamdeck or whatever. Plug it into here. That way you only have to use 2 ports, 2 USB ports instead of 3. So you've got this. This is what it looks like on the back. It's got padding here. It's got little flip out feet so that, you know, you can raise it up if you want to. And so it's really nice. It's got the Corsair logo up here at the top. Let's go ahead and add the wrist rest to it. Show you how that works. It just slides on like that. Easy peasy. And so that's what it looks like when it's fully assembled. Let's go ahead and switch it around here. Push stuff off my desk. Oh well. So this is, I mean, it's got a nice feel to it. It's a thick keyboard. It's not low profile. So for example, if I showed you a low profile one here, this is the Logitech G915 wireless Lightspeed. This is an extremely expensive keyboard, about $250. It is a little bit dirty, unfortunately, but this is a low profile keyboard. As you can see, it's not super thick compared to the thickness of this one. You know, there's a big difference. So this is a thicker keyboard. However, this doesn't have a wrist rest or anything, and it can actually be uncomfortable to use. This does have like I said, it's thicker. It's got a nice feel to it. The keycaps on this are bigger. So this has the MX Silver. So let's do a sound test and see what they sound like comparatively. So as you can see, they're pretty clicky. Pretty clicky indeed. Let me show you what it sounds like on the G915 here. Here's what it sounds like on it. So as you can hear, there's different sounds. I've got another Corsair keyboard here. This is the K60 10 keyless, I believe is what it is. Let me get it out here. Let me look on the back. It's the K65 Lux RGB. So this is what the older, as you can see, the braided cables. This one here is actually thicker than this one. This is the old wrist rest that they used to come with. It was plastic. This has reds in it, Cherry MX reds. So let's do a sound test of it. Okay, and now back to the MX Silvers. The silvers sound quite a bit more clicky over the reds. So, you know, as you can see, like I said, 10 keyless. This is actually a really good keyboard. The K65 Lux RGB. I'll post it in the description as well. If you want a good 10 keyless keyboard, I like it. I'll put the Logitech in there too. I don't expect anyone to buy a $250 keyboard, but if you do, you'll love it. It's a great keyboard. So, look at this. This does have a really nice sound to it. I do like the sound. It's got a nice feel. The caps on this, which is going to be hard for you to tell, they've got a weird texture. They're texturized compared to the other ones. The other ones are smooth on the other keyboard, even the other Corsair keyboard. But these are texturized. Pretty neat. Pretty nice. Let me plug this in and we'll look at the RGB. We'll see if it does any RGB things. It's really nice. I did not know about this. That's pretty cool. It does light up all the way up through there. If you're in the RGB, this is RGB here. Corsair and Razer, they're hogging the market on RGB goodness. I'm not a huge fan of RGB, but it is pretty cool. My wife hates it, so you know, you win some, you lose some. Look at that, buddy. That is sexy. Yeah. So this has been the unboxing and first impressions of this gorgeous, beautiful keyboard. Let me turn the lights off even more. I'm gonna get it dark in here, as dark as I can get it. See how that looks. There we go. Look at that. That's pretty. But anyway, this has been my unboxing and first impressions of the Corsair K95 RGB Platinum XT. Hopefully we'll do a full review of it here on the channel. I'm going to use it for a while for work and gaming. If you haven't already, subscribe so that you don't miss that. Don't miss any of the other reviews that I've got coming out. There's going to be a lot of cool stuff. If you're into the PlayStation and Xbox, we're going to be doing an unboxing of the PlayStation 5 and the Xbox Series X with all of the available accessories at launch for both of them, I do believe. So we'll have all of that you can check out. There's a lot of tutorials on my channel, how to build computers, computer reviews. I just posted a review or an unboxing and first impressions of the MSI Meg X570 Ace, which is, in my opinion, the best X570 motherboard there is on the market. Hopefully we're going to look at Ryzen 5000. Listen, stay tuned. You're not going to miss what's happening here on the channel. Thanks for watching.